there is a significant rise in the number of cybercriminals. CrowdStrike observed 34 new threat actors in 2023. Attackers increasingly target cloud environments, mostly for financial motives. Yet, in some cases, it allows attackers to reach on premise servers. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. CrowdStrike's 2024 Global Threat Report underscores the perpetual challenge in cybersecurity. As security technologies advance, adversaries are equally quick to adapt, exploiting new vulnerabilities and employing cutting edge techniques to enhance their attacks. The report highlights several critical issues that are reshaping the cybersecurity landscape. Cloud environments are increasingly becoming a target for attackers. This shift in focus might be due to the growing adoption of cloud services by businesses and the potential for attackers to gain access to valuable data stored there. Secondly, adversaries are continually developing more advanced tactics to compromise systems. These include living off the land techniques, which use legitimate software and processes to carry out malicious activities, making it harder for security systems to distinguish between normal and malicious behavior. One of the most alarming trends is the significant rise in malware free attacks. These types of attacks, which now constitute 75% of all detected incidents, rely heavily on stolen credentials and legitimate tools to bypass traditional security measures, making them particularly difficult to detect and prevent. The primary motivation behind these cloud attacks seems to be financial gain. Attackers might be aiming to steal sensitive financial information, deploy ransomware, or disrupt operations for financial extortions. The findings in CrowdStrike's report underscores the importance of evolving cybersecurity strategies to address these sophisticated threats. Traditional defenses, such as signature based malware detection, are no longer sufficient on their own. Effective cybersecurity now requires a multifaceted approach. The report highlights several trends that illustrate the evolving nature of cyber threats and the ongoing arms race between cybersecurity professionals and attackers. Let's look into today's headlines. Microsoft reportedly announcing its first ARM based PCs. Microsoft is likely to announce its first set of Surface laptops featuring a Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite chip. The new launch will mark a significant shift from x86 based PCs to advanced RISC machine, that is ARM based personal computing devices. It's not just Microsoft, but several other original equipment manufacturers such as Dell, Samsung, and more are likely to join this party by introducing their own ARM based PCs. New update to Android 15 promises extended standby battery life. The forthcoming Android 15 update is expected to enhance standby battery life by up to 3 hours on certain devices. The battery life improvement will apply to all devices updated to Android 15, including those running Wear OS. Additional improvements include deferring more background tasks when a device is charging rather than when it's in use. Other notable features include private space, app pairs, and improved theft detection services. iOS users get a new gradient redesign for now playing on YouTube Music. YouTube Music has introduced a gradient background redesign of its now playing feature for iPhone users. This follows the same update being rolled out for Android users in December. The new design replaces the previous solid color background, which was based on album art, with a gradient that is lighter at the top and darker at the bottom. The gradient redesign is being widely rolled out with version 7.01 of YouTube Music for iPhone and iPad. Government initiates to block pesky calls and messages. The government is planning to block not just pesky calls but also unsolicited messages via SMSs and social media platforms such as WhatsApp. According to new regulations still in works, a fresh algorithm is being written to run a check on phone numbers and messages to see if these are being used for marketing purposes or for hard selling any product or services. Netflix previews a new Windows 11 app without downloads option. Netflix is testing a new Windows 11 app called a PWA, which is a web based application that replaces native programs. Although it won't allow downloads, the app will include live events, ad supported subscriptions, and higher streaming quality. It is not stated whether or not it is a web wrapper. The new software offers a web app experience and will take the place of the outdated Netflix Windows app. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.